If we need a cleaner printing, we can follow some guidance as below. Remove the extruded filament from the nozzle by the tweezers. This is important. We'd better do this before the printing. The nozzle will move to the color transition strip when it needs to switch the color for the face panel. It's possible that there is a little leftover filament on the nozzle. We can tap pause on the touch screen. The printing will be paused. Then we can remove the leftover filament from the nozzle. Anyway, this operation is optional. We can do it or not, depending on the real printing. Let's tap resume. Then the printing will be resumed. Usually, there will be a filament pellet beside the color transition strip. This is extruded by the nozzle each time before printing the color transition strip. We can remove this filament pellet by the scissors. Anyway, this operation is optional too. We can do it or not, depending on the real printing. Finally, we can get a 3D printed letter in perfect condition, without any contaminated color. Thanks for watching.